What else can I say? Perfect read on USDT dominance, guys. As you can see, we are in this channel. My bias for today was to go long thanks to this trend line above here that acted as resistance. As you can see, we had a couple of good levels here that we could also deal with for a possible little deviation and then down. We might close our Bitcoin long once we hit this zone here on this trend line. Okay. So actually the Bitcoin long we took today, we took twice, right? 2 Bitcoin positions. Why did I decide to go long again here? We stopped down here. Easy. We swept this zone here. Okay. With this little wick here. Okay. And if we go here on Trading Light, we can clearly see here what happened. Let me adjust this one for you. Okay. Look at all these selling pressure. Okay. And look what we had here. Okay. What is this? Tell me, what is this? You know the answer. Here in the chat. Look again. Selling pressure. Bottom of the wick, good buying pressure. This long wick closing. Green, what is it? Absorption. Great search. Absorption. We talked about absorption last week. If you remember, we had these two examples. Okay. And it's exactly what we had here, sweeping this low, absorption up. Warfeda tried to go long with stop loss right below the wick. Okay, with stop loss at 65.8 here. Okay, so now I'm trying to get at least this area here. Okay, so I still want to see a little expansion to this level, and then maybe we can go down again. Okay, and so this is the situation. You can also see it here. We tested the Monday low this morning, then we went down, then we are up again, and we are trying to approach it again. So now the thing that I wanted to see also is to flip this zone here and take the zone we just marked on Trading Light. That is this one here. Okay, you can clearly see the level. So Warfa tried to keep a little bag for 68.5, more or less. 68.5, like, yeah, maybe 68.5 it's a bit too much. We can then close it at 68.12, something like that. We will keep an eye on it. But the thing is, is that you can understand how we play on little confirmation to do these scalps. Yes, they are risky, but when you win it, you have a great reward for these scalps. Okay. Then we have Soul, that is exactly in the box we discussed it. You can clearly see the reaction it had. I didn't play it because I didn't have the confirmation I wanted to play with it. We had one pick here, and I positioned my long idea down here to have a sweep and then up. We didn't have it. As you can see, the RSI broke the 50 level. Then we came down again, but we don't have any more POC to play with. Okay. So was a good long to jump here maybe. Let's see on the 15 minutes if we have something. No, as you can see on the 5 minutes. Yes, or not. Let me see. Pretty tight also in on the 5 minutes. Maybe on the 1. No, because the peak was below the POC. No, we couldn't have play it even if we were on the 1 minute time frame, guys. Never mind. We can look at something else. Let me see if you wrote something. Virtual. Here. AOI in this area. Easy to spot. This is my AOI, area of interest. Let's see. Template AOI. Let me set an alert here. Okay. Let's also take a look at the POC of this expansion from here to here. Yeah, might be good. Okay. So we have a cluster of POCs plus the POC of this expansion. We could wait for a little bit more to have a sweep down here with maybe stop loss here and take these 3, 4, 5, 5.5 R trade. Okay. Got it? What SI you're using? The normal one, brother. Is the normal one, and then I added the div indicator from the Den. That is the same indicator that I use for the POCs. You just have to go here on the RSI, add the indicator on the RSI, and then I already did it. You have the div indicator. I add the div indicator that add on the RSI the peak triangle on the overbought and oversold area, plus the line for the divergence. But you can even play it without it, okay? Because it's just to be more comfortable with the peaks and the divergence, okay? So it shows you the divergence. You can also play it with this one. It's the same, okay? You can clearly see that is the same. We have this one, this div, okay? And they also tell you can, I don't know if you can filter the divergence on the oversold and overbought area. I don't know, baby. If you want, you can use this one. It's the same. Okay. Pippin is the one that we longed. With stop loss at 47 that is down here. I would like to have a bit of, okay, in this case we are not playing with the POCs. Okay. This is the level we are sitting on, as you can clearly see. Okay. To be honest, the thing I just wanted to have a little squeeze, boom, to the upside here. Okay, maybe if the funding can go negative, could be great to go long on this one. The periodic linear regression, it's a bit neutral because as you can see, it's just gray. In this case, if we can just flip these, consolidate, can have a little expansion to the upside. Would be nice, would be nice. If we go on higher time frame, Let me delete everything. And let me hide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so if we go on Niger time frame, we have this great expansion, of course. We are almost on, we tested this 0.5 level, more or less. And I would like to take at least this eye here, to be honest. Okay, so with a little expansion up here and then maybe down, would be great. We would have like so PPP 47 I set. Okay, would be like a 5-hour trade. Would be nice, to be honest. Okay, my entry is like 50. Okay, it's like, okay, 4.3 RR. Okay. Okay, no more questions. So, Ethereum, unfortunately, before this great expansion till, no, where we long it? Yeah, here. We long it here. Let's go now, lower time frame. We try it along here. We got stuck here, and then this happened. It happens, guys. This is very unlucky, to be honest. We were in a good streak, and then we got this loss, but then we recovered that 1 hour loss with great trades, okay, taking partials and making back what we lost. Unfortunately, this week was exactly like for, I don't know, $3, $2. We got stopped for $2. After the DCA, my AP was like something like this. Okay. If my grandmother had wheels, she would have been a car, but if we take this, it was a 6-hour trade, for fuck's sake. Never mind, guys, this is very, very, very unlucky. It happens sometimes. Okay. XRP had a great expansion. Oh, it was perfect here, maybe. Oh, no, okay. It was not. It was good on the 1 hour, but we don't take it with the 1 hour. We just take it on the 30. On the 30 minutes, we didn't have the trigger to go along with maybe 15. Yeah, on the 15. Peak. We wouldn't. It was like 3 hour. A free drive, sorry. No. Let's see the POC we had there. No, okay. Oh, okay. No, nothing to. We didn't miss anything. Let's see some alerts we have here. TRX. Wow. Oh, guys, Inj. Look, injective. Look at injective. Pump. How much it pumped? Wow. 20% pump. Incredible. Giga. Great pick. Let's see. Shit, sorry for the zoom. Oh, what a great range we have here. Puke. Voila. Okay. No. On the 12 hours, it's forming a great stop run. We could have another candle maybe like this one. Oh shit, I can do it. Like this one with a little wick here. Okay. But then it could close green. Okay, so something like this. Okay, another candle beside this one. And then could have a great run. We didn't took out maybe It's an equal low. No, we didn't take out this week, but sometimes people also consider this as week taken. Okay. And this one is interesting for me, in my opinion. Also on lower time frame, if we can have a little bit a sweep below here, maybe we could enter this position here to free, perfect in line, and could have a massive RR. Okay, no, it's 5R. I thought it was better, but yeah, could do something like this. So let's just set some alerts for us. Okay. Write down questions if you have anything. Ton. What do we have here? Ton could be very interesting as a clear structure. We are on the 75 area. Let's see. Something like this. Also, if you go here, we are clearly in an uptrend. Okay, to be honest, I wanted to get this level here. Okay, because you can clearly see the level here was interesting to have an inverted head and shoulder. Okay, so down here and then up. We got a great run from this level. And yeah, this level might be interesting, maybe. Could be interesting, to be honest. So let's keep an eye on also on TON. We are approaching good levels to go long again. Let's just take a look back on our Bitcoin long. It's getting rejected, I think. Yeah, that's the Monday low. Doesn't want to get it back. Doesn't want to get it back. We got stopped at break even on FET, but I decided to go more safe on it, I would say. It was a better decision. As you can see, it's not pumping so much. We are on a 75 level. It's like flirting too much with this level. I wanted an instant like V shape here. Boom, up, taking out this ICA. Okay. And taking back like a 5R trade, maybe 8R trade. Yeah. Something like that. But yeah, nothing special. As you can see, the reaction was not one of the best. Let's take back a look back at Pippin. That it's not like going how I wanted. We also might cut it before the level. Let's see, because now we are just like, if this one is 1R, this is like 0.35, 0.4, something like that. We will see. Then what do we have here? Siervu. Oh, Siervu was a great level here, but no divergences. No divergence. Python. Pete. Let's call it this one. Pete, Python. Whatever it is. Wow, great run. This bad boy. Okay, not ready. So let's summarize a bit what we had here. We have Ton. We have Giga. And we have Virtual, we said. we spoke about virtual. USDT.p here, down here. Let's take a look at TIA. Shit. Aster. This is the short we took on Aster. Okay, we quit the short here. Nothing special on this one. Oh, this one on BCH was good. Guys, look at this pattern. This was a good one. You can clearly see the movement below the range we formed. Okay, it was good to position it here. Down, retest, up, rejected, gain back the level. We could have like something like this. It would have been like a 2-hour trade, and also if it continued to keep the level, was something like this, or at least here. Okay, because we have this level. And this level here. Okay, so it was like trade the range. So now we could have like a top here and then down. These were two great trades, to be honest. I miss it. Too many coins nowadays. That's why I keep only this watch list. How many coin do we have here? I don't know if I can see it somewhere, but yeah, not so much. Why your trade only long? Isn't easier to get shorts? Yeah, it's easier to take. No, it's not easier to take short. Sorry, to be honest, because sometimes you can also have long squeeze, short squeeze on a short position, so you get out of the trade before it like goes down. We took Aster, and to be honest, the last market conditions were not good for short swing. We had to short like a couple of weeks ago. Now, as you can see, the movement are very scammy and very tiny movements, and we just have to take care of like scalp position as we had like here on Bitcoin with this little confirmation taking out this week here. Okay, with this kind of situation where you then get back also on a great, where you take back a great RR on the trade. Also here it was good buy because we had like 4.4 total volume here. Okay, and also the delta was negative, but the candle closed green, so a couple of confirmation that told me to go long on this one, taking these highs above here. Okay, this was the aim of that trade. Yeah, bro, with prop account you get access to larger amount of to trade with, and like a simple PR trades could be like 1 monthly salary, okay, that you can take with like just one position. So it's always good there to take profit because you can get back a lot of money from prop firm accounts. And yeah, this is the vision. Let me know if you have any question, guys. Otherwise, we can close the stream. We don't have any kind of exciting situation at the moment on the market. It's a quick stream. Maybe next time we'll have more exciting things to talk about, but now it's very boring. the market. If Bitcoin now rejects again at the Monday low, it's gonna be very, very boring. Because otherwise I don't have anything here. Oh my god, so tired. Oh yeah, we talked about ULT, but as you can see, we didn't have a clear. Okay, we have this one. I decided to don't play it. As you can see, I didn't go long on VLD. Then we had this peak here. Then this one, we had this peak. By the way, we were on the 0.886. Didn't worth a try, in my opinion. Okay, lost completely his strength. Okay, so here you can see the pattern I was talking about on TON. Let me delete this so you can clearly see it. Can you see it? 1, 2, and 3. You can position it like here. Okay, with like stop loss at 2-3%, something like this, and you would have had like a 7-hour trade. Okay, this is an example of what I was talking about with TON that we didn't have, as you can clearly see. Okay, look, similarities. Is it clear? So if you are in a virtual long, I don't know if you are break-even, yeah, could be great to wait a bit because Bitcoin is struggling with. So at the moment you are under a little resistance, I think. We have 2 levels here that you can clearly see. This one here and this one here. So you are like below a resistance now. I wouldn't take a long now. I would take a long if like we get back this level, targeting this eye here with a position like this maybe for a continuation pump for a 3.54-hour trade, something like this. But now you're under a resistance, so I wouldn't take it, to be honest. Then it's up to you, brother. You can always decide. These are not financial advice, but this is my point of view of virtual chat at the moment. Okay, what time is it? 21:26. Let's see something more than we can close. If we have something interesting. I had these limits, sorry, these alerts on XLM. We have a peak. You can clearly see that there is an X sign here because we went above the 50 level, but it was just a week. So for me, it's still a good one. That's why I keep the alerts on here. Okay, so we can have like a little sweep maybe and then up, creating our divergence on the RSI. Let's see also where is it. Maybe I don't think this is the POC of the previous expansion because it's like, oh yeah, it is. Okay, yeah, it is. So we also have a POC, the POC of the previous expansion that is like the virtual setup we just discussed about. So we keep it. We keep an eye on this. We can clearly protect our stop loss like like here below the high volume nodes we have here. Okay, so you don't want to take like the stop loss here where there is high volume node close to the POC. It's just like below these two high volume node, because you know that there is interest into these levels to trade this coin. So we can have like some trades on this level and then a reverse. Okay, so we protect our stop loss like a bit below, like this one. like here. Okay. LPT 40. It's very boring, guys. The only thing that pumped today is Bitcoin, and we took it. That's nice. This was a macro level we had on Pengu. Yeah, it is. Okay, look. I marked this level like I don't know how many streams ago, guys. Look at the failed reclaim. Okay, but if we get back the level, let me just hide POCs. If Pengu can get back that level, we can play the retest. Maybe like a spot position or a low level play. Let's imagine that we have like a 14 stop loss, and you can like play. That would be huge. 35-hour trade. Okay, so even if you go with like $1,000 position on this one, like a spot position, if we get back to this level here, we can clearly see the level. Okay, you will get back like 35K with 1,000, but I don't know, just keep an eye on this. If NFTs will be back, this could have a great run, in my opinion. AVAX, let's activate back our POCs. Well, AVAX, great reshape. Was it at 0.75? Let me check. We are checking so many names, guys, but at least you know where we are now with the market. FET, we already checked. Bitcoin still there. And yeah, now we are going like way back with the alerts. All right. So thank you so much. If you don't have any other question, we can close the stream here. I wish you all a great night. Thank you for tuning in as always. We will see what Pippin give us and what Bitcoin give us. Okay. So then we can see how to proceed with these two trades. Meanwhile, let me wish you again a great night. Thank you so much again. And we catch later in the chat. Bye, fam. Thank you so much.